Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. So friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, now let's move to the details of this video. Friends, this video is again about very beautiful, very colorful, decent and delicate color combination of embroidered face masks. As you could see that these are very beautiful and various variety of masks with very beautiful matching color adjustable elastic ear straps. The designs are very pretty, highly designer style and fully heavily embroidered masks, and at the same time this embroidery is very lightweight and beautiful, and you can easily wear these masks throughout the whole day and can enjoy your work or some quality time when you go out. Very funky bicycle embroidery style are very trendy among teenagers, and similarly some delicate and decent dull and matte colors embroidery on white, off-white, beige and cream color gives a very delicate view. So this is a very good idea if you are going to start very fresh or a new business and you want to make much amount of money, because COVID-19 has affected a massive number of people in the world, and the only rescue is to wear masks while moving out for some basic necessity or basic purposes. I hope this video was helpful and very amazing and creative ideas have been shared with you. So kindly do try these ideas, do try these designs, color combinations, amazing embroidery patterns. A very beautiful combination and a merger of hand embroidery and machine embroidery have been shown. So stay blessed, stay tuned, keep watching my content, keep supporting us like this as you always have been. We will soon be back with you along with some new design ideas. Up till then, take care, Jazakallah and Allah Hafiz.